Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A captivating exploration of tiny house exteriors featuring sustainable materials is presented. You'll discover creative design solutions and learn how to incorporate eco-friendly practices into your own home. Introduce the concept of tiny houses and their increasing popularity, highlight the benefits of sustainable living and its impact on the environment. Connect the dots between tiny houses and sustainable materials, emphasizing the video's focus. Maximize natural light, show examples of windows, skylights, and open layouts. Passive solar design, explain how to use the sun's heat effectively for warmth. Water conservation, explore rainwater harvesting, efficient fixtures, and greywater systems. Partner with local builders, encourage viewers to support local businesses, consider certifications, explain the importance of eco-friendly building certifications, research available resources, guide viewers to helpful online resources and communities. Recap the key benefits of sustainable tiny house exteriors, encourage viewers to explore sustainable building practices for their own homes, leave viewers with a call to action, inspiring them to make a positive impact. A modern, urban, container home. 2 stories, with vibrant orange exterior walls and a black steel framework. Rooftop terraces featuring lush, varied greenery, including potted plants, flowers, orange, red, purple, and shrubs. Interior spaces visible through floor-to-ceiling windows, with natural wood accents, a comfortable outdoor seating area with orange armchairs and a coffee table, a modern kitchen. The ground is paved with a light gray stone, and lush green plants, ferns, and bushes surround the structure, filling the yard around the house. Hyperrealistic style. Focus on the architectural design and verdant nature. A cozy, rustic orange-hued cottage with a terracotta-tiled roof, dark wooden trim, and large windows. The exterior walls are a muted orange with some visible texture and slight cracks, evoking a sense of age and character. The cottage has a covered porch area with wicker furniture, a small table, and potted plants, marigolds, herbs, and greenery, surrounding the porch. A small kitchenette area with a sink and stove is visible on the porch. The setting is a lush garden with various plant life, including trees and foliage. Grass and gravel pathways lead to the cottage. The colors are warm and inviting, highlighting the orange of the cottage with deep greens and browns of the trees and plants. A quaint, whimsical cottage nestled amidst trees. Charming, rustic exterior with a straw-thatched roof, beige stucco walls, and stone accents. Lush green ivy and foliage climb the walls and roof. The house features a large, arched wooden door, multiple windows with wooden frames, and a small stone chimney. A wooden bench sits on the porch, accented by potted plants. The stone pathway and landscaping are lush with various greenery, including low-lying plants and small shrubs. The color palette is warm and earthy, with beige, browns, and greens. The image has a slightly impressionistic quality, showcasing a sense of depth and tranquility. A modern, rustic cabin nestled within a misty autumn forest. Large, angled stone walls covered in a thick layer of vibrant green moss form the roof and exterior. The cabin's design is minimalist, with expansive floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing the interior and surrounding nature. Warm, natural tones from light brown wooden accents on the deck, and interior walls contrast beautifully with the cool gray stones. The interior spaces are visible through the windows, showcasing comfortable furnishings. Falling leaves and patches of moss are scattered around the base of the structure. A quaint, rustic, terracotta orange house nestled amongst lush greenery. The house features arched windows and doorways, a sloping tiled roof, and a covered porch area. The house's walls are a warm, honey-toned orange, with a stucco-like texture. Vines and greenery cascade over the walls and facade. There are potted plants and lush vegetation surrounding the house, creating a verdant, almost tropical atmosphere. The image is impressionistic, capturing a sense of tranquility and natural beauty. Lighting appears soft and warm, casting a golden glow over the scene. A wooden porch railing and furniture is visible. A small dining table and chairs are on the patio, positioned beneath the shade of a covering. A modern, minimalist cabin, with a green roof garden, situated on a deck with decorative wooden stairs. The structure is a light gray/charcoal wood-clad building, with large sliding glass doors opening onto a spacious wooden deck. The interior shows an open-plan kitchen/living space with warm, muted wood tones, dark gray cabinets and countertops, and touches of orange/terracotta accents. A gray daybed with orange throw pillows is outside on the deck. A metal, wrought iron-style chair is situated on the deck. The deck and surrounding ground are covered with a gravel/pebble mulch. A modern, curved, eco-friendly tiny home nestled in a lush garden setting. The home features a dark gray metal exterior with a warm, wooden interior. Large windows with sliding glass doors offer expansive views of the surrounding greenery. Vertical gardens with various plants and flowers line the walls and window frames. The home has a raised wooden deck with steps leading up to it. The garden is filled with various A contemporary wooden cabin with a green roof garden, nestled amongst large rocks and lush greenery. The cabin sits on a hillside overlooking a lake, with a deck that extends the living space. The roof is covered with a variety of low-lying foliage, including vibrant orange flowers and patches of greenery. The cabin's exterior is a warm natural wood tone, contrasted with dark gray accents on the roof overhangs and deck supports. The extensive windows allow for expansive views of the surroundings. Inside, a minimalist bedroom space with a bed, a small table, and chair are visible through the large sliding glass doors. The overall color palette is earthy and calming, with shades of brown, green, orange, and gray. A modern, light-filled, tropical-style house with a thatched roof. The house is a light orange tan color, with large windows showcasing a comfortable indoor living area. A spacious wooden deck extends from the house, furnished with wicker lounge chairs, small tables, and potted plants. The deck is surrounded by lush greenery and tropical plants in various pots and planters. The plants are vibrant greens, and the lighting suggests a warm, inviting atmosphere, probably by day or early evening. The roof is covered with a natural-looking straw-like material. The overall style is artistic and naturalistic, with a focus on creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. A rustic wooden cabin nestled in a wooded landscape, late autumn. A large, cedar plank exterior with a copper-colored metal roof, detailed brick chimney, and large black-framed windows. Dark, warm colors of the house and copper roof contrast beautifully with the surrounding foliage. The front porch is a deck with wooden planks, accented by comfortable seating. Various plants and flowers, red, orange, greens, browns, are around the cabin and deck, creating a sense of a private oasis. Soft, ambient light filters through the trees. Walking stones and gravel pathways meander through the landscape. A cozy, modern tiny house nestled in a wooded setting, bathed in soft, warm light. The house features a covered deck with a dark gray composite wood decking, large sliding glass doors, and a rooftop garden with low-growing, yellow-green plants. Solar panels are integrated into the roof's design. The house exterior is a mix of gray-toned wood siding and dark gray/black trim. The interior space is visible through the glass, showcasing a well-organized kitchen and living area with warm wooden cabinetry. The deck area has comfortable seating, including a beanbag and a leather armchair, along with wicker baskets and decorative gourds. The surrounding landscaping is lush with autumnal foliage in various shades of green, orange, and yellow, with small, decorative stone pathways. A brightly colored, vibrant, and detailed image of a small, wooden, mobile home with extensive vertical gardens covering the exterior walls. The home, styled as a tiny house, sits on a gravel expanse, surrounded by greenery and mature plants. The walls are a warm light brown wood, showcasing numerous rectangular planters and hanging baskets filled with various flowering plants, leafy greens, and herbs in a variety of autumnal colors. The oranges, reds, purples, and greens are rich and in several tones and hues. The vibrant vertical garden installations cascade down the sides of the structure, providing a full greenery effect. Include a set of wooden steps that lead up to the entrance of the home. The scene is outdoors, clearly displaying the surrounding forest in the background. A cozy, modern mountain chalet in winter. Snowy landscape with lush, dark evergreens and bare, snow-covered branches. Hyperrealistic style, focusing on intricate details of the wood siding, stone exterior, and large windows. The chalet has a mix of dark gray stone and warm, light brown wood. A large, sectioned glass wall with black frames stretches across the front of the building, offering views of the snowy valley. A wooden deck extends outward, with comfy outdoor seating.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.